Hi everyone. So today we will discussion about the project, how to do the project development, and also previous section we have to discussion about the hierarchy of the project, how to get the project from the clients, who will assign that project to the developers, who will lead that project, what we have meetings. So we are discussion already those points in the last session, right? Let's start begin. Next about the project. Okay, suppose the clients want to develop in this project like this. This is a report has a global superstore report. Okay, this is the data template is a provided by the client. He wants to do same like this. Okay, before understanding this overview of the report, we need to understanding the what kind of visualize the clients want to expected. So he expected header on the KPIs, total sales, total profit and profit ratios. Those are the KPIs. These all are the KPIs. Before below you will expecting the some like visualization like this. So this is the map visualization, filled map, or this is a donut chart and bar chart and a bar and line chart. This the client want to expect like this. So before this like he called this is called sometimes like a design template and layout. They will some clients will provide the like this. Otherwise they will provide this some textual or they will provide this some documents. Okay, so before understanding this document, we need to understanding about the data source. So once you get the design template, okay, we need to understanding about the data source. Without data source, we won't develop in anything report, right? With the data source, we will development anything. So first we have to understanding about the data source. Client also share with along with the data source and report. Okay, this is a suppose you will provide the data source as a Excel. This is a now we are doing this project like a sample superstore. This is all the people returns. Okay, this is the data source is sample superstore. It is a Excel. So client will give the as a Excel or a SQL Server or Hadoop, AWS, something, anything. But we want understanding about the data source. But he will give the some columns here. You want to check those columns whether we have whether it will be there or not. This total sales column, total property column, profit ratio columns. So we have to check in that data source. If you not available that data source, we want to add those columns. That is first thing. We need to analyzing about the data source. Once you complete the analyzing, we want to start about the developing the project like this. Okay, if you everything is fine in the data source then you will connect to load into the Power BI desktop and start developing like this. Okay, so these are the main points we have to cover in today's session. I hope you understanding this concept. We will discuss next class how to developing this report like this. Okay, thank you for watching this video. You will touch in next class. Thank you for watching this video.